Hi, welcome to my vlog. So in today's vlog, let's talk about a different topic. I don't know if you've heard of a country known as the Republic of Estonia. So I'll be talking about Estonia today. So why? Because I heard about Estonia from the latest World Development Report of 2021. So I don't know why when I saw their president is President Kirsty, and I've tried to look for answers because I was thinking, why is it that among all the other presidents of different countries in the world, they have chosen President Kirsty as their speaker? Okay, somebody will be sharing about their country and a particular report on world development. And then I found out that Estonia is actually one of the first countries in the world who have implemented their e-voting system in 2005, as early as 2005. Oh my goodness, imagine that. So that is why I became so interested about Estonia, and I wanted to know more, and today I'm going to share about Estonia with you. Estonia has become a very intriguing country for me. As I told you, I discovered Estonia when I first heard their President Kirsty speak in the World Development Report of 2021. So, as I said, among all the presidents of the world, she was the only one invited to report. And that was because Estonia is one of the first countries to give us voting. So they have already in place this e-voting system, which they implemented in 2005, as early as 2005. Imagine that. And they have mobile payments when it comes to parking. Imagine. And e-banking, e-commerce, and plus, guess what? E-residency. Would you believe that? So that is why I was so intrigued with this particular country that I wanted to know more about it. And if I can, why not? I would want to become an e-resident of e-Estonia. Although, don't get me wrong, I am very patriotic and I love the Philippines so much. But you see, they are so open to change and they have embraced digitization so well that they have this. And in fact, they were the first country to have an embassy in the cloud. Would you believe that there is an embassy in the cloud? So, of course, because they were the first ones also to suffer from what we call hacking and cyber attack. Of course, we know, I've learned that Estonia was actually under the Russians for a long time. But anyway, they're free. And do you know that they got their freedom? They worked hard for their freedom and they got it out of singing. So unique way of winning your independence by singing. So they were actually singing, and that is why the soldiers were not able to bomb them or to attack them, and they could not do any violence because they were just there to sing, and they were holding hands together, kapit-bisig, para mga Pilipino. So, Estonia is such a beautiful country that I wanted to learn more about their digitization. So, it's only in their country, I think, where you can have, and we have e-voting since 2005. And they were so successful in that. And it's not only that particular thing, but I have learned that in Estonia, people were actually learning how to code. Even kids with the age of 7, as early as 7 years old, they were already taught to code. So imagine that. So that is where the world is going in Estonia. And of course, that was the reason why World Trade Organization and the World Bank report actually invited President Kirsty because of that particular development in their country, because of their digitization system. So congratulations to Estonia. But do you know what? Estonia is not only a country with an advanced technology, but it's also a country of beautiful people. They have beautiful nature as well, and forest, marshes, and it's a flat country. However, it can be cold at times. You see, there are also beaches in this particular country. This is the one. This is the embassy in the cloud that I was talking about, because, of course, they experienced cyber attacks in 1991, because at that time their system was not yet that advanced, and so they worked with Finland, together with Finland, so that they can have this secured, so all their information, their data in the internet is actually very secure. And Estonians believe that their data is actually more secure in the internet as compared to on pen and paper. So you see, any country in the world can also do that, and they are pushing for AI, or artificial intelligence, to be developed in their country. So they will be using that soon. There are, of course, pros and cons as always. So, but we know, yes, that one is the digital ID. Okay, that is their electronic ID, wherein all the information are there. They have also their signature, but their information cannot be leaked, or no one can snoop over their personal information. Why? Because they have made their system so secure that there is no more trouble or problem about that. So you see, 99% of their people are actually using online methods. So 24/7. And that is a good thing. So if we want our country to advance, we must also adopt. This is what I was talking about. As early as 7, they were already coding. And 10% of their older population were actually taught. And why not? Because before, 29% were doing that. Now it's already 91% of the population. And it was in their country that Skype was developed. And Microsoft actually bought Skype from them. The first chat or video chat that was developed, and that was actually in Estonia. So many people are actually registering and trying to apply for their citizenship because of this advancement in Estonia. Shout out to Traveling with Kirsten, Lucas John, CNBC, and Planet Explore for their materials and footages.